Just a quick video on the effects of earthquakes. We distinguish between short and long term. So in the short term, obviously death and destruction is the main one. However, it can also have knock-on effects such as tsunamis. So these are incredibly large waves. They're fairly common when the focus occurs in an ocean. Fires is another one, and pollution of water supply. So you can imagine even with the tsunamis coming in, the seawater is going to go into sort of clean water supplies, and it's going to get all the contaminants in there, especially say like dead fish or microscopic plankton and like they could all pollute the water system. There's also something that occurs called liquefaction, which is a collapse of loose materials on which houses and other buildings are constructed on top of. So this occurs mostly in underdeveloped countries because a lot of their houses are built on sort of weak soils. Whereas now, a lot of the developed countries have strict planning laws in place to actually prevent this. So they ensure that all the buildings in the earthquake zone can actually resist an earthquake. In the long term, it can lead to outward migration, which is people leaving, the spread of disease, and economic turndown due to rescue efforts and reconstruction of structures. Complicated, but yeah, essentially, after an earthquake, the government's going to have to pump in a lot of money to ensure that the country has restabilized after the disaster.